Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to secure your Chrome browser. Friends, as we all know, our web browser used to store our login information and provide auto sign in on our repeat visit to the site so that we don't need to re-enter our login ID and password on our every visit to the site. But due to this feature, sometimes it saves the login information of our important accounts which can be misused. So to increase security in your Chrome browser, it would be better if we stop auto saving of passwords and stop auto signing to our accounts. For that, first we need to open our Chrome browser. In your Chrome browser, press on these three dots. Here, press on settings. In settings, press on passwords. Now here you can simply turn off save passwords option. Now Google Chrome will not save login information of any account. Also you can disable auto sign in. Now from the list below you can find all the sites for which Google Chrome has saved the login ID and password. Now suppose if you want to delete any login information, then simply press on the site name and here you can see the login information as well as you can delete it from here. Press on delete password. Now Google Chrome has deleted that login information. So like this you can see all the login information saved on your Chrome browser. So friends, like this you can very easily secure your Chrome browser by stopping auto save of password and sign in. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.